Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back to Nomax TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can be making money by completing service online. When it comes to making money online, various individuals or organizations are willing to pay certain of money so that they can collect data as part of their research purpose. In this video I'm going to show you one of the platforms that you can be using to make money by completing service online. You can be completing certain amount of information and also get paid certain cent of money by completing that survey as well. If you did not subscribe to this channel Nomax TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to your friends, and that notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Nomax TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. Please follow step by step and see how can we doing this. What you need to do first, you need to come and type my points. So my point is the one we want to be using to make money online. As you can see, this is one of the service platform that you can be using to make money online. This is a company. You can see how my point works, your daily rewards program. You can see service for money, get paid for making or completing survey as well. By the starting, also let's click on my points. If I click on my points, you can see I'm going to be redirected to the platform that I want to use to be signing up or to have an account so that I can be making money as well. So I might need to be removing this account because they're not one I want to be using. And also because we are starting, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be also choosing Guild Join. As you can see they have shop, which you can be clicking here. And if you click here, you can be seeing various details. For example, if I click on my shop or shops, you can see I'm going to get various details. You can see up to 10 points per USD. You can see for the platform. You can see if we scroll down, 8 points. You can see 10 points. You can see these are all the amount of money that you can be able to get by this platform. You can see if we scroll down, you can be getting also various options that can be helping you up to 15 USD, up to 15 points, up to 130 USD. You can see also 139.99 USD. What you need to do, you need to choose every option which works for you and which works in your country as well. You can see the stores like eBay, Walmart, Amazon, Kohl's, Macy's, QVC. So every platform here can be able to help you earning some amount of money as well. Now let's start. What I need to do, I need to click here on join. If I click on join, which means I'm going to be signing up to this platform. You can see they are telling me to get cash back on today's purchase. Sign up now to get started. So I need to add the email and password. Make sure you put the working email and password so that we will be able to verify your email as well. Remember, if you sign up, you're going to be getting the discount for your sign up. So I have to enter the password and also I have to sign up as well. Once I sign up, you see they are telling me the account already exists. If they tell me the account is already exists, I can also log into this account as well. So if you are new, you need to ensure that you are signing up here as well. So let me click here to log in to the account and also sign into the existing account. Now that means I'm going to be entering into my existing account as well. What I need to do, I need to ensure that I have put the valid password in the mail and also be able to verify the account so that I can be logged into my account. As you can see, I have now entered in my account. I had 880 points, which means I have also about 5.5 USD I have earned as signing up of my account. As you can see, I have here shop, Avis 8 up to 10, 12, 10. This is now, and you get the points. So now I'm logged into my account. If I come here to rewards, For example, I click on rewards. You can see I get various options that I can be getting various rewards points. As you can see, I have 2,380 points, which I will be turning to rewards. So here I can be redeeming my rewards also while using these platforms as well. You can see Egypt, ADA, USD, card value. You can see gift cards as well. So let me try clicking on surveys and see if there are surveys available for me to respond. You can see now there are various surveys that I can be taking and also be able to get money. For example, I have this survey here, which I will be earning 136 points. 136 points, I can be able to convert them into USD and also be able to redeem the points to my account. As I click on it, you can see recommended for you. I have to complete this survey and earn. If I start now, you can see I'm going to redirect to the page where I'm going to be completing the survey as well. Once I'm done completing the survey, that is where I'm going to be also making money as well. You can see also here there are various types of surveys that I have to complete. That is where I need to ensure that I complete every survey that I want to be choosing. And once I'm done completing it, also I'm going to be making money as well. Now, the survey that I want to be taking now is open. Which means here you need also to be taking one by one in order to go to the next survey as well. I have to also to verify by the captcha that I am a human and also continue with the next steps. You can see also I'm starting now doing my survey. Now they're asking me to fill out these questions or these options, and also I have to choose the one that I want to be using as well. Once you are done completing this survey, that is also where I want to be also proceeding to the next step. I have to click next. There was on it. Now you have to ensure that you click everything here. So I have one. So please rank in alphabetical order by selecting first, second, third. It is to indicate the order they should be listed if sorted alphabetically. So if it's alphabetical now, I have to be putting this one first. So if we are going to be first, now this is the second one. So I have to check now what is the third one. So now I have to check S, which is the fifth one. And also I have to come up to the last one, which is watermelon. Or strawberry is a strawberry. This is the fifth one. Let's say graphic. This graphic, it is the first one. Yes. Then I have the last one, which is this one. So what I need to do, I need to click next. So as you see, I'm done now completing this part of the survey. Please describe how your attitude toward traveling have changed over the past 5 years. Now you need to add description. It had been going well and I have been enjoying it. So you need to add description based on also what you want to be describing or based on your experience as well. Once you are done, you have also here to be selecting or to be ranking these options. As you see, I'm on the 4% of this survey as well. So you need to ensure that you fill out all of this, and also here they are also telling you to be providing the responses of where you shopped last time, and also to be indicating whether it's a physical store or not. Once you are done this, if you come back to your survey, you will be also getting the points reward you are needing here, and also your rewards are going to be accredited on this account as well. So if also you have meeting and activities or the survey to complete, that is where also they are going to be giving you this amount as sign up. Once you sign up, they give you this amount, which means this is equal to 5 USD and this is equal to 0.5 USD. So once you sign up and verify your email, you are going to be earning 5 bonus. And also here you can be, I have to do list, which is the list of activities or the list of surveys that I have to complete as well. You need to ensure that you choose any kind of survey that you think you can be participating now, and also be clicking here and also come back. Once you come back, you can be able to choose the given survey that you want to be doing as well. You can see I have today's activity, activate score, earn point from discover, complete the survey, meet your goal, deed of the day. You can be clicking here and also be earning from the deed of the day. It's all up to you to be able to choose the given survey that you have to complete. From the deed of the day, that is where we're going to be choosing here and also be able to earn my point, the given points. If I have these points, now I have these points and I'm going to be earning these 500 points. That is a lot of money that you can be making from this. From this bid of the day, you can be also deed of the day. You can be also making certain amount of money depending on the country you are located in and depending on the option available for you. Once you are done, you can be able to also to redeem the rewards you have earned, and also you can be able to go to my bonuses and also be able to check the amount you have earned as well. By clicking on the account statement, you can be able to see how the transaction have been going and also the rewards, how you have been earning rewards as well. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be earning reward by completing surveys. What you need to sign up and also be able to choose the given survey you want to be completing or the given action that you want to be completing and be able to earn money as well. Once you sign up, you will to be getting the free bonus of 5 USD on your account credited there. Remember to like this video, share the video to our friends, like this video, subscribe to this channel, Nomax TV, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Nomax TV.